Hello Orbinauts. I'm going to show you how to install the Lunar Base Aurora into Orbiter 2016. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and grab the zip from here. And here I have a fresh Orbiter 2016 install. And we just want to extract everything into the Orbiter root. And then you want to go to orbitermods.com, search for Aurora. Search for Aurora. You'll see Lunar Base Aurora by Well for Orbiter 2016. Download this and extract everything into Orbiter root. And that's it. So then we can launch Orbiter. And let's launch the included scenario with the base.
Welcome aboard, Commander. All systems nominal.
And Orcus, sorry, not Orcus Patera. Here we have the base. Let me just number 18. Let me disable XR sounds music so that I can talk.
Welcome aboard, Commander. All systems nominal.
Okay, here's the base. It's in a crater. That's pretty much all there is to it. You can also install this using the Lunar Base Aurora Orbiter 2016 orb recipe. So that'll install it for you. You don't need to install 2 zips. It'll do everything for you with that recipe. That's all I wanted to show you this morning. Happy Sunday.